Alright, today we'll be exploring the famous Jordanian city of Aqaba, a vibrant scuba diving destination and the gateway to the Red Sea. This place is awesome, jam-packed with tons of beautiful coral reefs and crystal clear waters to explore. So let's get into it. When we think of Jordan's climate, what comes to mind is mostly desert landscapes and dry mountainous regions, but Aqaba is complete opposite and shines through as a coastal paradise. Driving 4 hours from Amman to the country's southernmost point will lead you straight to Aqaba, right along the Red Sea. The radiant blue waters are in stark contrast to other famous landmarks in Jordan. However, the sea is inviting for anyone looking to scuba or snorkel in some of the world's finest coral reefs. We went on a glass-bottom boat as part of our epic 2-day Jordan tour and spotted underwater planes, shipwrecks, a tank, and a bunch of teeming marine life. We also jumped into the crystalline waters for a refreshing swim. A trip to Aqaba is sure to broaden the horizons of your trip's diversity, so I highly recommend making the trip out here. a side detour. I actually added it to our entire tour to a city called Aqaba. It's at the south of Jordan, right where the Red Sea is. So we got to go and snorkel there, go on this glass bottom boats, see all this crazy stuff. There's like a sunken plane and a German tank and a bunch of cool stuff. And the Red Sea is so freaking clear. And it's surrounded by 4 other countries. It's like Egypt and Palestine and Jordan, and to the south is like Saudi Arabia. So definitely a super cool addition to the trip.